Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Most of you have asked about how I made this kind of videos using AI generator. So here is the full tutorial for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I create a cinematic renovation time-lapse video, starting from an abandoned house image and ending with a fully finished, cozy home using AI image generation, AI video generation, and simple editing. For this video, I'm using a different image but with the same concept, so you can try your own way. First, I start by generating the abandoned house image. I come to ChatGPT and ask for a detailed image prompt of an abandoned house in a forest. I copy that prompt and paste it into the Flow Nano Banana image generation section. Here, I change the aspect ratio to 9:16 because I want this video to work well for short-form content and vertical videos. Keep generating until I get a house that feels realistic, detailed, and suitable for renovation. Once I get the perfect image, I download it and move to the next step. In here shows several types of houses. So you can go through these images and select one image which is exactly suitable for your idea. For this video, I'm going to continue with this image, which is a bit similar to my video. Now I want to convert this abandoned house into a simple and minimal home, but not all at once. I do it step by step because each step will later become a time-lapse video. I select the image and go to the Edit Image option. First, I remove the large bushes around the house to make access easier. Next, I remove the plants and vines growing on the walls and roof. After that, I remove the old damaged roof, exposing the structure underneath. Then I fill the cracks in the walls using cement, making the walls stronger. After filling the cracks, I apply cement finishing to the entire exterior, giving the house a clean cement look. After every step, I download the image because each image represents one stage of the renovation. Once the cement finishing is done, I ask Nano Banana to convert the house into a simple and minimal design. Here I choose a wooden house style because it blends naturally with the forest environment. From this point onward, all new images follow the same wooden house design. At this stage, I want to mention an important trick I use to keep my visuals consistent. Instead of only moving forward from the abandoned house, I also work backward from the final result. From this final image, I start generating earlier stages in reverse, like the house without furniture, the house with only cement finishing. This makes it much easier to keep the same shape, proportions, camera angle, and lighting across all images. Once all the images are ready, I open ChatGPT again. I upload 2 consecutive images at a time, for example, before bushes are removed, after bushes are removed. Then I ask ChatGPT to generate a time-lapse style video prompt, usually with workers wearing yellow safety clothing performing that specific task. For better understanding, I divide my screen into 2 parts. On one side, I keep ChatGPT open. On the other side, I open Flow. This way, you can clearly see the prompt, where I paste it, how I generate the video. In Flow, I go to the Image tab and select Frames to Video. I upload the 2 images that represent one renovation step. Then I paste the time-lapse prompt I got from ChatGPT. I generate the video, preview it, and if it looks good, I download it. I repeat this same process for every renovation step. Until the Flow generating the video you request, you can generate the next video prompt from the ChatGPT. This method will save some time for you. For about the next 5 minutes, you'll see a fast-forward screen recording of my actual workflow. In this part, I'm showing the image prompts I use and the videos created in Flow using those images. This section is mainly for viewers who want to study the prompts closely and see exactly how different results are generated step by step. And if you'd prefer to skip straight to the final cinematic reveal, you can jump ahead to the last section of the video. Either way, the goal here is to give you both the process and the final result, so you can choose what works best for you. For the final scene, instead of a time-lapse, I asked ChatGPT for a cinematic video prompt. This prompt focuses on slow camera movement, full view of the house, surrounding forest, warm lights, and peaceful atmosphere. I generate this video separately and download it. Once all the videos are downloaded, I open CapCut. I arrange the clips in the correct order: abandoned house, cleaning steps, renovation stages, final cinematic reveal. I add simple transitions, light background music, and export the final video. And that's it. This is how I create a full renovation time-lapse video, step by step, using AI images, AI video generation, and simple editing. In the description of this video, I have attached all the prompts I used to make this video, as most of you requesting the prompts in the comment section. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like, share, and follow for more AI renovation workflows. Thanks for watching.